restored after outage impacts
So we have
city of Long
power
Beach,
outage
New
in
York.
USA,
So this happened
in a city
yesterday.
near New
So I was
York.
watching the videos.
So
This
I
is, you
will
see here the date, December 12th.
share this video
So this is what we
with the
have
world,
here. A
so
power
everybody will
outage
see what's
impacted the
going
entire
on.
city of Long Beach Tuesday evening.
I don't like
So that
the
yesterday,
light.
Chopper 2 shows
We know that stuff is happening.
darkness
We have
as it
seen
flew
stuff
over
since the
Atlantic
7th
Beach.
of October last month
So this
in
is what
Gaza-Israel
I've got for
border.
you.
UFO
This
activity
video, I will share the link.
was there all the time,
So
and we see
here
this
I
from
was watching this
yesterday.
video.
So it was
So
power outage in the
see
city of
in
New
the
York.
beginning,
So
the
here you
UFO
have
is
the
talking about
UFO.
causing this outrage.
You see, people cannot be denied. This is, I believe, what is caused power
It is causing the
outage
explosions
in New York,
that caused
near
the
New York
power
City.
outage. I believe this is the UFO I was
Check how
talking
it is
about.
moving.
So
And they see the explosion, the
yeah,
fire
if you cannot
behind. It was caused
debunk this,
most
then
probably of this UFO.
you have this
So you see how it can move.
statement.
It's very
UFO
advanced.
is attacking USA.
You see how it did
So
this
this is,
explosion,
we
another
saw
one
this
going
activity
up and down,
on the day of
staying
7
in
October
air.
in Israel-Gaza border.
So this is
Was
why
ignored
we have
totally
this
by the media. Nobody talk about it
invasion,
because they want
7
the war
October.
to go on.
So it was more like UFO activity.
This will be good for business. Leave. Nobody want to talk about the UFO
So this is
activity.
we have seen this in Jerusalem many times,
To keep people
but not on live. This is see here on live.
what's going on. You see people,
So
this is real
it's like
UFO attacking USA, causing
so this is
power
very
outage yesterday in
worrying.
city near New York.
Nations leaders decided not to talk about this one.
So I don't know how
So
they can
of course
debunk this.
want
You see how it is moving?
they want this
Bombing USA.
activity.
The
So they
facilities
support
and the
this
infrastructure.
activity,
So
the alien activity,
blame it
UFO
on the weather
activity. They support it.
always.
That's why they don't want to talk about it, because they believe these
Large.
guys are our creators.
Yes.
And they should rule. So that's why they pretend that nothing is going on.
Let's zoom out.
This is my explanation. Otherwise, I cannot explain why we as humans we don't have the right to defend ourselves against the invaders. So
Causing explosions.
are we
Stuff like that.
very weak? Don't we care about our Mother Earth? Or what's the problem here? If you show this stuff,
Maybe it is belonging to the
then you
Galactic
cannot
Federation.
deny it. Then instead they try to
Always
call you conspiracy guy or stuff like this one. Conspiracy, no, it's not real, fake. They cannot debunk. So this is real. So if you see it,
They could as well blame.
if you see it,
Talking about.
so if you see it on CNN, you will believe, but if you see it on my channel, you will not believe. So this is rather like you cannot fake this video.
It is causing the
You
explosions.
see people, look,
that caused the power outage.
look how it is moving.
I believe this is the UFO I was talking about. So yeah, if you cannot debunk this, then you have this statement: UFO is attacking USA. So this is we saw this activity on the day of 7 October in Israel-Gaza border. Was ignored totally by the media.
So Israel is that for
To
investigating what happened on the day of 7 October. They went to war. Then they don't want to investigate because for obvious reasons they don't want to confess about the UFO. That's why they rushed into war, and they will be fighting until Armageddon. That's all, people. Listen.